Your build passes locally but breaks in CI. Docker was designed to fix exactly that. Every time your CI pipeline runs, Docker spins up a container with the exact same tools, libraries, and runtime versions. Whether you need Node 18, Python 3.11, or a specific Postgres version, it is all baked into the image. No more surprises from a runner with the wrong NPM version or a missing system library. Same image, same environment, every single run. The environment is not just consistent, it is defined as code. A Dockerfile describes every dependency, step by step, and you commit that file to version control right alongside your application code. So when a developer builds locally using that same image, they are working in an environment identical to CI. That is what kills the classic works on my machine problem at the root. Docker also gives you job isolation. Each CI job runs in its own fresh container, so a test that writes to disk or changes an environment variable cannot bleed into the next job. And because Docker images are portable, you can switch your CI platform from Jenkins to GitHub Actions and run the exact same image with zero changes to your environment setup. Docker keeps CI consistent by packaging your entire environment into a versioned, portable, isolated image. Follow for more interview prep. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.